Hello friend, welcome back. How to capture a full page screenshot just in one click without any hurdle, without any subscription or payment. Like if you have to click a screenshot of, let's say, this full length page, like complete scroll and everything, capture everything without you scrolling or without any effort, just in single click. Here is the tool screenshot with URL, which will help you guys to click full page screenshot just in one click. Click on the logo here and there is a full page. Click on this, it will automatically scroll your page and capture the full page screenshot just in one single shot. So let's see, it is automatically scrolling and you will see that it will automatically capture everything. And the best part, it will not capture your bookmark, the tool you have installed, anything, even though it will be having the URL in that. So just click on this and there you go. Here it is, your full page screenshot is here. You can zoom in and with a very good quality you see that full page screenshot is here. All the details, everything is there. There is nothing like your bookmark list, everything is hidden. No extension, what extension you have installed, so no personal information. Only thing what is required in your screenshot, every detail is there. This has the URL as well in this, so you can see the URL, the complete full page in just in one click. Also, let's say if you want to stop at any moment, like suppose let's say you want the screenshot of the page like till here, so you just click, you can stop at any point of time. You see that it is scrolling. Now you want to stop here, so you can stop that and there you go. So this way you will be able to capture the screenshot till where you want. You can stop at any point of time. So this is very helpful tool to capture the screenshot, all types of screenshot. If you haven't tried, try it. This is absolutely free Chrome browser plugin available for multiple browsers, all the Chromium based browser. You can install it. You can see that absolutely safe and secure. More than 7,000 testers already using it. 5-star rated tool, featured and everything, safe and secure. You can check out the privacy policy. Doesn't save any data. It runs offline in your local system. Do give it a try, and if you like this tool, please give it a 5-star rating and share it with others. Thank you.